Now let us look at the next and the last problem for this session. Two large vertical and parallel metal plates having a separation of 1 centimeter are connected to a DC voltage source of potential difference X. A proton is released at rest midway between the two plates. It is found to move at 45 degrees to the vertical just after release. Then the value of X is nearly. Now this is a very simple problem. We have two plates and the distance between them is, let us say, d, and the potential difference is the potential difference applied by this battery. So the electric field that is set up in between the plates is given by the potential gradient, which is x by d. Now because of this electric field, it experiences a electrostatic force QE along the electric field. Okay, apart from that, it has got its weight mg. Okay, now QE is acting in this direction and mg is acting in this direction. Now the resultant of these two should be at an angle of 45 degree with the vertical, because since the proton is starting from rest, that means the net resultant force must be acting in this direction initially. Okay, which basically means that QE is equal to mg. The value of Q is E, capital E is x by d, and mg. So we can write the value of x as mgd by E. The mass of proton is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 27. G is 10. D is given to us as 1 centimeter. And the value of E is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. Okay, so this will cancel out and we will have 1 into 10 to the power minus 27. This is minus 2, that is minus 29, and minus 28 and plus 19. So the value is minus 9 volts. The value of X is 10 to the power minus 9 volts.